Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea and today I'm going to show you how to do a 5-minute refresh on day 5. Today's day 5 for me, and I also added a little bit of a braid headband. And so if you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned and I'll show you. Let's see what we're working with today. So I've still got some good definition. The last wash that I did in Style, I used Uncle Frankie's gel, and this stuff, I'm telling you, like, I'm very impressed with it. It's called Curly Magic. I do feel like it's holding my shape a lot better, my curls a lot better than when I use other things. So first thing I'm gonna do is wet it with water. I don't want it soaking, but I plan to add in a little bit of this. It's called Small Talk, and it is a volumizer. I plan to add a little bit of that to my roots. And so I wanna make sure that my hair has some moisture to it, because the instructions say to add it to damp or wet hair. So I obviously don't wanna add it to dry hair. And of course, for a refresh, I need somewhat damp hair. That way I can get rid of some of the frizz. I definitely have some tangling underneath, and so what I usually do is just kind of work my fingers through there and try to get some of those tangles out. Okay, so it is somewhat damp. So first thing I'm gonna do is add my Small Talk that I just told you about, and I'm gonna put it around my roots because that's where I want the most volume. I'm gonna start with that much, so just one pump. And I'm gonna go underneath my normal part. Ooh, it smells so good too, this stuff. I don't use it a lot, but it really does smell really good. Kind of like a grape or something, some kind of fruity smell. Another thing that really adds a lot of volume for me is the L'Oreal Boost It Volume Inject Mousse. And the last 2 containers that I've gotten, this comes off. It just breaks off. I don't know if it's a malfunction. You can actually see where it's broken. So I just push it back on and do my best to get it out. So yeah, that's kind of been a pain with this stuff, but I love it so much that I don't want to switch to something else. So I'm just dealing with it. All right, so more volume up here at my roots, and then I'm just gonna kind of distribute it through. And I need more. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more. Because I want volume, I feel like the diffuser adds volume for me. So now I'm gonna go in and use the diffuser along with hairspray. So I'm gonna use a level 3 heat and speed, and I should knock this out pretty quickly. And I'm gonna flip side to side and then also use the hairspray. So here we go. Pretty much dry. Okay, so definitely have more volume, but I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb now. And it's kind of teasing a little bit. You don't want to do a ton because you don't want to add like a lot of frizz, but this is going to give you more volume as well. I like to go underneath, just kind of push it up. Go on this side, same thing. I've been using hairspray. You can use whatever kind. I am using the Nexus Comb Through Finishing Mist, which I'm almost out of, so I need to get more. Okay, so definitely have the volume that I was looking for. You can also just put your fingers under through here and just kind of pull up to make your roots stand out more. Okay, so there's the volume. I'll show you the back. That's what it looks like. And then I just want, for a change, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some braids, and so I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so before I do that, I'm gonna smooth out my hair just a little bit with a little bit of oil. This is BioSilk Therapy Lite, just to kind of get rid of any frizz that I might have. Okay, so now I'm going to just clip back some of my hair so I can access this part. And this is the part that I'm gonna braid. So I'm gonna just take it. And it's nice to have the oil kind of in my palm still, because I can run it through these strands so it's not frizzy. So they'll be like smoother. And then I'm gonna tie this off once I finish braiding. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So when I get the other side done, I will come back. Okay, next step is just to take these braids and kind of make them a little bit wider. So I'm just pulling them apart just to add a little bit of volume, to make them thicker. Same thing on this side. And then all I'm gonna do is pull each one over the top of my head. So it'll be like a headband. So I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna go across the top, and then I'm going to pin it. And then the same thing for this side. Pull it across the top and then pin it. Okay, and then once that is secured, then you're just gonna take your hair and pull that back over the front. And then you can see the headband that's built in. And that's it. I hope that helped. If you guys have questions, let me know in the comments below. But if you're just wanting quick volume, I mean, if I wanted more than this too, I can really kind of tease it underneath to add more. But I think this is enough for me. So hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.